What in the hee-haw is happening right now? This is actually pressure sensitive. Are you actually serious right now? Hey guys, it's me Noelle and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for today's video. This past weekend was Valentine's Day and my boyfriend Reuven surprised me with the most amazing, thoughtful gift. He got me the One tablet by Wacom. Is it Wacom or Wacom? Let me know in the comments. So it's basically a drawing tablet that comes with the tablet itself and a pressure sensitive pen. Let me just give you a little bit of backstory for why he got this for me. I'm a design major at my university and I've been saving up for an iPad for the longest time. I feel like most design or art majors have a tablet of some sort or an iPad, and I just really wanted one. So Reuven was like, oh, this is a really great gift for her, and I was touched. I was really touched. I wanted to do an unboxing because I noticed on YouTube there's not a lot of people who do these kinds of videos. It's mostly iPad tutorials and like Procreate, and I don't have that yet. So I'm going to be showing you guys what is in this box and kind of a mini tutorial on how to use it, how to get started. It's really cool because it connects to your laptop with a USB and it does work on Windows and Mac. So this is a pretty universal tool. It's definitely a cheaper alternative to an iPad if you kind of want that tablet experience. So yes guys, I'm so excited. I can't contain myself. I cannot contain myself. Okay, let's unbox this. So it slides up. Here is the main packaging. It comes in this cool little box. Oh my goodness. Okay, wow. This is what it looks like on the inside. It comes with the tablet right in front. It gives you this super simple diagram. You connect it to your laptop and then it says you have to go to this website. So I'm gonna do all of that. Oh my goodness. Wow. I'm pretty sure this is the smallest size, but it is pretty sizable. Like, it's like kind of like an iPad mini, I think, for size reference, but that's pretty big, guys. And the back is that beautiful red color. The tablet has this dotted grid, which is really cool. And on the back, I noticed that it has this little area to write your name on it. Under the tablet, you get all this stuff, all this goodness right here. As you can see, this is the pen stylus it comes with. Oh my god. Here's the stylus, and it comes with two buttons, as you can see right here, and I know you can customize it to any settings you want. Here's an up close of the stylus itself. I am pumped for this pen because it is pressure sensitive. I've been doing a lot of my designs on Procreate Pocket on my phone, and I have a stylus, but it's just one of your basic styluses, not pressure sensitive at all. So this is going to be a game changer. The packaging also comes with this here. Ooh, a little ASMR for you guys. It comes with this little instruction manual, which I think will be very self-explanatory. And then lastly, it comes with the USB itself. Here is the packaging of the USB. Ooh. So it also comes with a little baggie of replacement nibs, which are these little black things, and I'm not quite sure what this ring is. So I really appreciate how it comes with replacement nibs. It comes with 3 of them, because the nibs do get dull and it can affect your artwork and how you design stuff. This is what a nib looks like. It's like a piece of lead. Not totally sure what this ring is or what it does. I'm guessing it goes like, no, that's not happening. Oh my gosh, I just figured it out. Ha 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 ha! So this little ring is how you replace the nibs. You put the nib in here and you kind of use it as like tweezers, like that. Do you guys see that? So I figured that out by using the instruction manual. That's what it's for. That's really cool. First, we gotta open the tablet. Oh my gosh, okay. Oh, I'm weak. I did not know I was weak today. Oh! She's okay, she's fine. Ooh, okay. I really like this little tab. I didn't notice it before. And if the pen fits inside here, I'm gonna give them a 10 out of 10. If it doesn't, I'm gonna reconsider. Okay, yeah, reconsidering. Okay, so I thought this was a pen holder. Oh, 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10, hunty. Okay, that's really cool. I love that. Oh my gosh, wow. I'm like, I hope the pen fits in the tag. Literally has a diagram of pen sliding through tag. If you guys notice right here, there's like a larger dot in the center, and like, I'm not really sure what that's for yet, but we're gonna figure it out. But it's such a sleek surface. Look at that. Look at that gloss. Look at that shine. The directions are pretty simple, guys. It says plug it in to your laptop, download the driver, and actually it says on the manual that this little dot here is actually a light to indicate it's on. Now let's actually give it a go. Now we're going to plug it in. It's literally been an hour. I was trying to figure out some settings. My computer was acting up a bit, but it's finally working, guys. Like, this is insane. Let me just show you guys like how cool this is. So it's like freaking totally sensing where I'm going. I am definitely not used to this at all. So the buttons are in its default settings. Right now, the first button on the bottom is, I'm not quite sure. Like, I legitimately don't know what the first button does. The second button does a right click. So, oh my gosh, I just made a folder. So I'm gonna go to Adobe Illustrator. How do I click it? Like, okay, I'm going to change the settings first. So what's really cool is you can change the pen settings to whatever you want. So you go here and then you go to pen settings, and okay, so the first one was scroll, which I don't want. I want it to be a click. So okay, so there we go. So now it should be working. I literally am running on one brain cell. This is so confusing. I'm going to draw now. That was an ultimate fail. Why is it not working? Am I crazy or something? What's happening? Somebody call the cops because I'm really confused. What's happening? What's happening? I'm so flustered. Sorry guys, I'm obviously unprepared for this kind of lifestyle. Okay. Wow, this video is actually terrible. Guys, what I'm doing right now, if you're wondering, is I am trying to enable the pressure sensitivity feature on Photoshop. Bro, where's the brush tool? Where are you, brush tool? Are you hiding from me, brush tool? Literally tell me what's happening. I love how this isn't working.
1 hour later.
Oh, do you guys see that? Oh my. Oh, okay. Guys, you gotta see this. Okay. What in the hee-haw is happening right now? This is actually pressure sensitive. Are you actually serious right now? What? No, you're kidding, right? You're joking? This is a prank? I'm on punked right now. Where's Ashley? So I'm blown away. Oh, sister is doing something weird. Okay, so the first button is just having a good time. Sorry, I know this video is a little bit unhelpful and chaotic, but like, guys, I'm so blown away right now. This is astronomical. This is a new level of technology. This is like never been done before. Amazing, beautiful, outstanding,
show-stopping, spectacular, never the same, totally unique.
I legitimately cannot believe this is technology in this day and age. Can you guys believe it? Is it just me who's over here like hollering? As you can see, not a pro by any means, but this is so cool, guys. Like, this is basically Procreate, but for so much cheaper, honestly. So I don't think Illustrator has pressure sensitivity, but freaking Photoshop does. Unfortunately, my camera is running out of space, so I can't give you a total thorough rundown of the Wacom One tablet. My first impressions of this tool is that it is so amazing. I have never owned anything like this. It is very similar to what the iPad can do with the Apple Pencil, and it is a much cheaper alternative. Shout out to Reuven. This was such an amazing gift, and I'm already obsessed with it. I'm definitely gonna be up all night making some some cool art. I'm not the best at it yet, but I will definitely get used to it. If you guys want more videos on the Wacom One tablet or digital art, graphic design in general, let me know in the comments down below. I apologize for this chaotic video. I know it wasn't super informative or helpful, but I hope you enjoyed watching my first impressions. If you guys want to get your hands on this, I will link it in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye! This is basically an iPad. Don't spend thousands of dollars. Just buy this. Just buy this. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed.